Hola a todos y a todas. Me llamo Alessandra y soy tu profesora de español. In Spain and Latin America, the way you introduce yourself can say a lot about who you are. Today, you'll learn how to make a great first impression in Spanish. Welcome to Airlearn Spanish, where we skip the boring stuff and help you speak like real people do. This is where you go from, I don't even know what to say, to confidently chatting with locals, one step at a time. Let's start with greetings. The first step in any introduction. For example, hola, which is hello, buenos días, good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches, good evening, good night. In Spanish-speaking countries, greetings are often accompanied by a handshake, hug, or cheek kiss, depending on the region. Next, if you want to tell them who you are, you use me llamo and your name. My name is, or you can say soy and your name, which is I am. For example, me llamo Alessandra. My name is Alessandra. To really get comfortable introducing yourself, practice it in context helps. Airlearn lets you do mini conversations where you introduce yourself in realistic scenarios, so it feels natural and not memorized. After saying your name, you'll want to ask theirs. So you can use ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? In an informal way. O ¿Cómo se llama usted? Which is what's your name? In a formal way. Use the informal with friends or peers, and formal with adults, teachers, or strangers. Next, let's add some politeness to sound friendly. Mucho gusto, which means nice to meet you. Encantado or encantada, delighted in a masculine and feminine way. For example, me llamo Alessandra, mucho gusto. My name is Alessandra, nice to meet you. Now you can share where you're from. You can say, soy de España, I'm from Spain. For example, soy de Estados Unidos, I'm from the United States. In Spain, it's also common to also mention your region. For example, soy de Andalucía, I'm from Andalucía. People often identify strongly with their city or region. Want to keep the conversation going? Add a small detail about yourself. Soy estudiante. I'm a student. Trabajo en marketing. I work in marketing. Me gusta el fútbol. I like soccer. For example, me llamo Alessandra. Mucho gusto. Soy de Estados Unidos y me gusta el fútbol. Translation of this is, my name is Alessandra. Nice to meet you. I'm from the United States and I like soccer. Let's put all of this together in a simple dialogue. Repeat after me. Hola, hello. Me llamo Alessandra. My name is Alessandra. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Soy de Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States. You've just had your first mini Spanish conversation. Remember these tips. Smile and make eye contact. It's part of Spanish-speaking culture. Use polite phrases to make a good impression. Practice these phrases until they feel natural. Every time you meet someone, even just saying, Hola, me llamo Alessandra, mucho gusto, is a step towards speaking Spanish like a local. You've just learned how to introduce yourself in Spanish, from greetings, names, and polite phrases to talking about where you're from. Keep practicing, and soon these introductions will feel completely natural. That's one step closer to sounding like a local. Nos vemos next time.